Why does the human heart yearn for connection with faces flickering on a screen, individuals we've never met, and likely never will? Is this merely a quirk of the modern age, or does something far deeper resonate within us? What ancient wiring, forged in the crucible of survival, now compels us to forge bonds with these digital phantoms? We are, without question, wired for kinship, for community. But our ancestors never grappled with curated realities beamed across continents. How, then, does evolutionary psychology unlock the secrets of our celebrity obsessions, revealing a profound mismatch between our primal instincts and the hyperconnected world we now inhabit? Before we venture further, what's your take? Share your thoughts below and subscribe to unlock more complex truths. Let's rewind to the dawn of our species, a time when survival hinged on the strength of our social ties. Picture our hunter-gatherer ancestors, living in small, tight-knit groups, rarely exceeding 50 individuals. Within these intimate circles, cooperation wasn't a choice, it was a necessity. Dunbar's number suggests our brains are optimized to maintain around 150 stable relationships, a cognitive limit shaped by the intricate demands of social navigation. Oxytocin, the so-called love hormone, flowed freely, cementing trust and reinforcing vital alliances. Grooming, a behavior we share with our primate cousins, wasn't just about hygiene, it was a social lubricant, releasing endorphins and strengthening bonds within the tribe. Attachment theory reminds us that our earliest relationships form the blueprint for all those that follow. Our brains, sculpted by eons of evolution, crave connection, a longing that echoes the profound dependence of infancy. Yet this primal craving now finds itself reflected in a hall of mirrors, its image distorted by the lens of modern media. Humans evolved within the close-knit confines of small tribal groups. Survival itself hinged on the ability to accurately read faces, discern intentions, and cultivate trust. Now, consider the average person, who spends a significant portion of their day immersed in media. This constant inundation creates fertile ground for parasocial interaction, or PSI, a term coined to describe the one-sided relationships we forge with media personalities. Our brains, hardwired for genuine connection, struggle to differentiate between authentic bonds and these carefully curated projections. Studies reveal a surge of activity in reward centers, such as the ventral striatum, when we view images of beloved celebrities, mirroring the neurological response to real-life social bonds. The celebrity endorsement industry, a multi-billion-dollar behemoth, thrives on this perceived trustworthiness, skillfully exploiting our evolved social instincts. The global outpouring of grief following Princess Diana's death serves as a stark reminder of the profound emotional connections we forge with figures we've never truly met. Social media further amplifies this illusion, blurring the already indistinct lines between public persona and private reality, leaving us vulnerable to a distorted sense of intimacy. Princess Diana's tragic story poignantly illustrates a core aspect of human nature: our deep-seated inclination to admire those we perceive as successful. This isn't a fleeting modern trend, it's an impulse seemingly etched into our very DNA. Evolutionary psychology suggests this behavior springs from our ancestral past, where high-status individuals controlled critical resources, provided essential protection, and ultimately held the key to reproductive success. We are drawn to these perceived alphas, subconsciously hoping to decipher the secrets to their success. Albert Bandura's social learning theory underscores imitation as a fundamental learning mechanism. By observing and mimicking celebrities, their fashion choices, their mannerisms, we attempt to shortcut our own journey to achievement. A study revealed that celebrity worship can be particularly pronounced among individuals with lower self-esteem, offering a vicarious sense of accomplishment. The halo effect further embellishes these figures with positive attributes, solidifying their allure. Like the peacock's elaborate tail, celebrities signal status and desirability, triggering ancient instincts within us. Attachment theory illuminates how our earliest bonds fundamentally shape our relational landscape. The quality of care we receive as children dictates how we approach connection as adults. Mary Main's adult attachment interview reveals distinct patterns: secure, anxious preoccupied, dismissive avoidant, and fearful avoidant. For those with anxious attachment styles, the parasocial realm can offer a seductive substitute, a readily available stage upon which to seek the reassurance so often absent in real life. Studies reveal a link between loneliness and the intensity of these one-sided bonds. In our increasingly disconnected world, these figures become stand-ins, offering a semblance of intimacy where genuine connection falters. Indeed, brain scans reveal that engaging with parasocial figures activates reward centers, closely mimicking the neurological response to genuine social connection. Yet, these bonds, though forged in the digital realm, possess the power to inspire. A celebrity's path can ignite a fire within individuals, emboldening them to pursue their own aspirations, a spark kindled from afar. Parasocial connections can provide a crucial sense of belonging, a lifeline for those adrift in the isolating currents of contemporary existence. However, unbridled devotion can foster unrealistic expectations, clouding judgment and blurring the delicate boundary between admiration and obsession. Such intense involvement can correlate with heightened anxiety and depression, especially when the perceived bond is abruptly severed. Ultimately, our fascination with celebrities is a modern echo of an age-old admiration for success and status. These figures activate the same neural pathways as genuine social connection, creating an illusion of intimacy where none exists. Constant media exposure intensifies this allure, obscuring the distinction between healthy admiration and unhealthy obsession. It's vital to remember that these parasocial relationships, however comforting they may seem, can actually diminish our real-world connections. A conscious understanding of media's influence allows us to nurture authentic relationships, anchoring ourselves in tangible social realities, and enriching our lives far beyond the glow of the screen. Having explored how evolutionary psychology explains our parasocial relationships with celebrities, revealing a fascinating mismatch between ancestral social structures and modern media influence, we are left to ponder the implications. Does our inherent desire for connection, honed over millennia, now lead us down a path of distorted intimacy? Or can we harness these parasocial bonds for positive inspiration while maintaining a healthy grip on reality? What role should media literacy play in navigating this complex landscape? Share your thoughts and experiences with parasocial relationships in the comments below.